Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we will be assembling the Universal Carrier kit, available at miniaturetanks.com. So this one I have assembled already is the Universal Carrier HO scale, but anyways, it's the one with the skirts. This will be available as an option, but the kit also comes one without skirts. If you're after the one without skirts, just get the one titled Universal Carrier, and if you're after the one with skirts, it'll be named Skirts at the end of the name. So believe it or not, in this kit there's actually no clipping to be done. Just simply gluing since now. So we'll take some of this glue here, put it down like so, and then you want to take this piece and just put it like that. Just make sure that it's going in the center there, like that. So yeah, that went down into a nice position. So the easiest next step is just put some glue there. Then take these back bins and put them like that. There you go. Next, go put some glue like that. Alright, carefully take this without dropping it and just simply put it in place like this. You can see where it goes. So see how this all went like that? Perfect. Now, get some glue here. We're done with the gluing now. Just place the last piece into place. And there we have it. The Universal Carrier from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.